Hi everyone, welcome back to the my channel for discussing about the properties of logarithm function. In this lesson, I am going to talk about the property number 2, which is the logarithms of power. Okay, so let's move into the lesson. In this lesson, I am going to explain about the power of a logarithm function, how we can apply this logarithm power concept. It's the property number 2. As you can see here, which is imply log base a to the x to the p equal to the p times logarithm base a to x. You can see here this p component here, you can take it out. This is the property number 2. This is the rule that I am going to explain within this session. Okay, and but there are some critical points that you need to remember in order to when you are applying this particular rule. Okay, as you can see here the x value, x is here, x should be a positive value because in the logarithm inside of the logarithm function cannot take a negative value, so therefore it should be a positive value, and at the same time p should be a real number. Okay, as you can see here, it should be a 2 3 minus 1 minus 2, whatever the number it should, which is a positive real number. Okay, so at the first thing I am going to do in this session, I'm going to prove this concept, actually proving this rule. So what do we need to prove? Need to prove logarithm base a to x to the p equal to the p log a to the x. So if I want to prove this thing, first of all I am going to assign some value to particular logarithm function, just like this. I will take log base a to x equal as m. Okay, so then I need to convert this logarithm function into the exponential function. I have taught you about this concept in the previous sessions, so I'm going to explain as directly here. We can write it down just like this: x equal to a to the power m. This is the exponential form. Okay, so here, so then we need to make it out the x to the power p. So in due to that, I am gonna power up by p here, both sides of the equation. Okay, p. So what is the value in the left side of the equation? X to the p equal to the mp, right? So then now we need to again apply the reverse theory. We need to convert this exponential function into logarithm function. How we can do that? We can do that. I have already taught this concept also. So I'm going to apply this one directly here. So what is the value? We can write it down like this: log a to the x p equal log a to the xp equal to the mp. Okay, so I'm gonna drag it down here, and here we have previously defined value for the m is equal here logarithm base a to the x. So m p equal log base a to xp here. So I am gonna substitute the m value from here. Okay, m is here what? Log base a to the x, and it's a separate term. There's a p also in the here, and equal to log base a to the xp. Okay, so now we need to interchange this from the equation both side. We need to write it down like this: x p, please come here, equal this one is come here, p times log base a to xp. Okay, this is the one we need to derive it here, so we will get it. Please keep in remember, when you want to apply this rule, you should need to remember this base is same in the both terms. Okay, otherwise it won't exactly true, so you need to keep it remember. Okay, now we have proved the power concept, logarithm power concept. So let's move to some examples. In these problems, the question is given as solve below mentioned problem using logarithm of products and power properties. You should make sure you only can use logarithm of products like this one, to a to the xp, this one, and power of properties log a to the xp. Okay, I have taught you this concept in the previous session. Okay, if you didn't watch it yet, you need to go back and watch it first and then come back here. Okay, this is the session that we taught today. Okay, and in order to carry out this example, you need to use this both the concept. Okay, here what first of all we need to write these two concepts here. What is the concept? Log a to the xp equal to log to the a to the x plus log to the a to the p. This is the first concept. What is the second concept? Second concept here is log a to the x p equal to, you can take it out the p term here, p log a to the x. This is the both rules that we have learned today. Okay, now let's move into the questions. In the questions, the first question given as what? First one is given as the solving of this one. Okay, so what is the rule that we need to apply for solving this problem? We have this kind of format, right? We have this kind of format. So in order to solve that one, log 3 to 9, this minus 5 real value, we can take it out according with this rule. Okay, so we can then write down log 3, 9 we can write down like this, 3 by 3. Now we need to apply the logarithm of product here into this logarithm function. How we can apply that? Log 3 to the 3 plus log 3 to the 3. Here minus 5. What is the value for here? Log base 3 to 3. This one. Here also log 3 to the 3 is 1. So we will get minus 5 multiplied by 2. What is the final value? Minus 10. Okay, now you have just found the answer for the example number 1. Okay, let's move to the example number 2. In the example number 2, you have given the particular question as log 2 base pi to pi here 4. Okay, what is this simplify? This one you can write it down like this, right? Pi to 1 over 4. So again, this is the same as the rule number 2, right? The power properties. Okay, so you can take it out this 1 over 4 term in front of the logarithm function. So therefore 1 over 4 multiplied by log base pi to 5 here, because we have just taken out this term to in front of the logarithm function. So as you can see here, what is the value for this one? It is same as the log. This is just like log a to the a. What is the value? 1. So therefore you can write it down 1 here. So what is the answer here? 1 over 4, and that's mean 0.25. Okay, now we have just finished both the example here. So that is it for today's session. We will next meet again for the division of the logarithm and other some some example as well. Thank you very much for listening to this channel.